Here is the Bryant Evolution System heat pump. And as you can see, there's a little bit of frost there, and some building up on the inside of the coils. I have it set to 75 degrees. It's about 74 in the house right now, 31 degrees outside. I'm hoping the damn thing will go into defrost. And now that I got this big flashlight, I'll be able to see any steam that comes out. There's like little bands of frost starting to form on the outside of the heat pump. And I think this buildup around the bottom of the heat pump might be from runoff from defrost cycles during the blizzard. Alright, I'll be back. Just gonna see what it does. The heat pump is definitely starting to freeze up. Hopefully it will go into defrost before the thermostat shuts it off, because it's set to 75. The house is at 75. I don't know why it's still running. Might be because we had the back door here open a little bit. That light has not worked in months. It worked when I came out here last December to videotape the train that used to be here, but it hasn't been here. It hasn't worked in months. Actually took the burned out light bulb out of it in an attempt to change it, but we realized we did not have any light bulbs that were the right wattage. And there is a bee's nest in there too. Yeah, you can see the bands of ice starting to form right down there. Starting to crystallize a little bit. Oh yeah, it's definitely frozen. Hopefully it'll give us a nice steam show tonight. There is actually like a coating of frost on the crankcase heater. Don't know how well you can see that, but the crankcase heater and the lines are starting to crystallize. And then it's frozen all down there. Some ice down there. Shut the door. Yeah, there's ice starting to form down there, or frost or something. and the auxiliary heat is on. Starting to freeze up down there. Down there, it is like 33 or 34 degrees right now. It is really starting to ice over. Damn. Ice is starting to build up right there. It's weird. Thermostat set to 74, house is at 74, and it's still running. And steadily freezing over. Most of the frost on the outer part of the coil is at the bottom of the unit. I am surprised this thing is still running. You startled me, dude. What are you trying to do? Get the light to come on? That doesn't even have a light bulb in it.